This is F1. We're going to try to repair this slope.
You want to repair this one?
Well, that wouldn't be included in the claim, but the wind damage ones are all. You'd have to repair all those. Yep. What's the temperature, by the way? It's pretty warm, isn't it?
It's 60.
60, okay. 60 or 70. All right. I see you're being really careful too. That's good. Just to show. What's going on?
We're repairing that one.
Okay.
I think this one.
Okay. Okay. So now you got that one. The other ones are okay, but you still have a damaged.
And then they got a little bit.
Yeah, I see. Those are bad too.
It is starting to go back there.
Okay.
That's two. Yeah, that's two. Because this one we have to cut right here and there.
Okay. Okay. So that's this slope. There's no way to repair this slope either.